Welcome to Push365 How-To video series. In this series, we will explore everything together, step by step. Are you ready to jump in and discover everything you need to know about Push365? Let's get started. Oh, and one more thing. You can always reach me at emma@push365.co. In this video, I will walk you through the notification actions and authentication tokens in Push365. From the app screen, open the Push365 Configuration app. This is where you can manage all configuration and administrative settings. If you're currently in a different app, you can easily switch using the app switcher. Once the Push365 Configuration app is open, navigate to the Push365 Actions or Push365 Authentication Tokens menu from left navigation. At this page, you can see all records and create new ones. Notification actions and authentication tokens are among the most advanced features of Push365. By using notification actions, you can trigger your Dataverse actions or any public API endpoint directly from the notifications you send to users, and pass data along with those requests. This allows notifications to go beyond simple informational messages and become fully interactive, enabling users to take action on your data. Before diving into notification actions, let's briefly look at authentication tokens. These records store the token information required for secure access to Dataverse endpoints or API endpoints that require authentication. There are two different token types available: AAD Application User and Basic Authentication Token. The AAD Application User token is used for Dataverse endpoints. This token represents a real user account that leverages the infrastructure provided by Microsoft Azure and the Power Platform. It is free of charge and does not require a license. Before creating this record, you must define an application user in Azure and add it to the relevant environment using the Power Platform Admin Center. If you do not have the required technical knowledge, we recommend contacting your system administrator or an authorized partner. With the Basic Authentication Token, you can access public API endpoints. Since the Push365's current implementation does not support automatic token generation, you need to create a static token manually. For both token types, whenever the client secret changes, you must update the existing records or create new ones. Otherwise, your notification actions will fail. Let's create an AAD Application User token to use in the next step. For this, I'll use the client ID and client secret of the user that we previously created in Microsoft Azure, add it to the Power Platform as a user, and assign the required security roles. And that's it. Now, let's move on to the actions. Notification actions allow users to perform actions directly from notifications. You can add up to 2 actions to a single notification and receive input from users. There are 3 different action types available. Send data to public API endpoint. Send data to Dataverse endpoint. Open public URL. With Send Data to Public API Endpoint, you can send a request to an API endpoint that you own or that is publicly accessible. Send Data to Dataverse Endpoint allows you to trigger custom actions defined in your Dataverse or Dynamics 365 CRM environment and work directly with your CRM data. This action type requires an authentication token. Open Public URL simply opens a specified URL when the notification action is clicked. Each action type requires different information, and some fields are mandatory. In general, the name field is used to identify the record, so we recommend following a clear and consistent naming convention. The identity value is automatically generated and is unique for each action. Text is the label shown to the user, such as Approve or Open Record. Parameters is optional and can contain a single value, a JSON object, or comma-separated data, depending on your needs. Let's create an action. I'll select Send Data to Dataverse Endpoint as the action type. When this option is selected, a window opens listing the custom actions available in your system. We can select the action we want to use and close the window. The selected action details will be populated automatically. In the Parameters field, I'll enter Approve. I'll explain the reason for this shortly. After filling in the remaining fields, we can save the record. And that's it. Now, let's take a closer look at the Dataverse action we selected. This is a custom action with specific input parameters, all of which are required for Push365. When creating your own custom actions, you must include these parameters as well. You can find detailed information about this topic on our blog, linked in the video description. Our sample action performs approve and decline operations on an appointment record. It updates the relevant appointment based on the value provided in the Parameters field. For this how-to series, we designed this action to be simple, but you can implement much more complex business logic. You can also extend these actions by adding plugins to build more advanced solutions. Naturally, this requires support from a software developer. This topic turned out to be a bit longer than expected, so it's time to wrap up. In the upcoming videos, as we explore different notification scenarios, you'll gain a deeper understanding of notification actions and see how they become an essential part of your Push365 experience. Thank you for watching video. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out me at emma@push365.co. For more information, you can also visit learn.push365.co.